What's up, Mufasas? What's up, Mufasas? What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. Oh my God, man. We got a lot to talk about, man. I'm in a good mood today. I'm in a great mood today. Yesterday was one of the best days ever, dude. Maybe I'll tell you guys about it later. Anderson, I saw Hex actually had a nice move. Yeah, I mean, it's so low, it's going to have nice moves. But I hope everyone's good out there today. Let's see if Bitcoin can break up from this wedge or down from the wedge. Because, you know, we like wedgies on this channel. Not on our ass, but on the charts. We like the wedgies. We prefer the falling wedgies, but, you know, we have a little bit of a rising wedge. So we'll see if this one plays out or not. Amrit, what's up? Damn, what the fuck with Kaspa? Dude, that thing has been going sideways for a year, bro. Since last November. Oh, shit. That thing hasn't done anything. I mean, to be fair, not a lot of things did anything, you know. Skillful, what's up, bro? Crypto Milk, for Hoofty. Who else we got in here? V-Sun, Riverdog, 7, Crypto 7. Boot. That's funny, dude. That's funny, dude. John, what's up, bro? Bomb Spam. Good to see everybody, guys. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. All right, so we're actually seeing Bitcoin come up. So over the weekend, we don't want to see, like, if you're a bear, you don't want to see this red box get broken on a close. So maybe we do. Maybe we close it on. Maybe we break it on the close here. I like a 4-hour close. So you got 57 minutes. If Bitcoin can close a 4-hour above the wedge and the red box, maybe we erase the bloody Sunday, the bloody Monday. But let's see. Right? We got 57 minutes for this close. All right. So let's see what happens. We got a nice little weekly close price action, which is nice. Travis, Jorge, Big Don, what's up, fellas? What's up, fellas? Good. It's good to see everyone in the chat, man. It really is, dude. It's a good Sunday. Life's good. Hope everyone's good out there today. I'm kind of like shaking the desk with my leg for some reason. So we'll see. We'll see what's going on. Anyways, back to likes. Let's go, man. Anyways, so yeah, so like Bitcoin's in this like rising wedge, which, you know, they don't always play out, but a lot of times they do. The thing for me is I have to respect this until it's broken. If Bitcoin can break up from the rising wedge and get a 4-hour close, like I said, above this red box that we've been watching for, I don't know, a couple days, then I gotta switch my view. I think then we gotta be bullish, and we're probably gonna go and test like 65K. If we can get a 4-hour close above all these previous lows, then I'll take it. But like I said, we got 56 minutes. A lot can happen in 56 minutes, especially on the Sunday scam pumps. So let's see what happens. Let's not get too carried away. And remember that it is a Sunday, and the Sunday scam pump. They love to do the scam pumps on Sunday, man. They love to do the scam pumps on Sunday. They always say, never trust the Sunday pump. And if you trust the Sunday pump, then you might get a little plump. You know, you might get a little plump in your pants if you trust the Sunday pump. You know what I'm saying? You might get a little plump in your pants. Dog with hat going crazy? Yeah, temporarily. We'll see if it lasts. John, Skillful, we will break 63K on stream. That would be cool if we did. Let's see though. Let's see. I'm not convinced just yet. All right, so let's see. If it can convince me, I would love it. But I ain't convinced yet. So let's see if we can break it today. Wayne said, fun fact, Doge miners earn 10,000 new Doge coins every 60 seconds. Holy shit. That's a lot of coins. How many Bitcoin do the miners get per computer? I don't know. But anyways, so let's say we don't break out, right? Let's say we don't break out and we end up rejecting here, which I'm still leaning that way. I know that that's not a popular opinion, but I'm still leaning that this breaks down. If it does break down, like I said, I think we're gonna see probably down here towards like, you know, 59,000. That's kind of where I want to get long if we can get down there. So if the crypto gods are nice enough to give a nice good entry, and we break down from this wedge and we get a move down here, oh my bless. I would love to play a little deviation of these lows if the crypto gods would be so nice. If they're not nice, well, that's okay. You know, move on to the next one. It's all good. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm watching right now. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, it is what it is. Everton, I'm telling you, happy future of finance. There's too many meme coins. I can't talk about all these meme coins now, man. Hoppy, fucking Doge, SHIB, Pepe, Bonk, WIF. What else am I missing? Too many meme coins, dude. I can't. My brain can't process how many meme coins there are now. Like I said, I missed the days where it was just Doge and SHIB, and you literally, like, you got hyped on Doge, and it's like, okay, Doge is cool, man. Everyone's buying Doge. Now there's just too many, man. Now you can't even keep track of all of them, dude. Popcat. I forgot about Popcat. We'll look at all those today. But yeah, so that's BTC. The still holding your short? Yes, I am still short. I am still short. If we, like I said, if we get a 4-hour close above this red box, and especially if we break out from the wedge, I'll cut it. But right now, I am still short. Yes, absolutely, man. I am shorter than a freaking mini me I'm shorter than mini me in Gold Member or in Austin Powers. I haven't watched those movies in years, bro. Austin Powers. I'm shorter than mini me. And you know, some of these longs are fatter than what's the guy? Fat Bastard. You guys want to know my favorite thing from that movie is when he goes, "I didn't eat corn." You guys remember? I know you remember when he took a shit in the toilet and he's like, "I didn't eat corn." Let's see though. Anyways, yeah, so that's BTC. We'll see what happens, guys. But I'm not convinced that we're gonna break up right here. I could be wrong. I've been wrong many times in my life. It's like a song, man. I've been wrong many times in my life, and we shall see. We shall see. Sometimes rising wedges break up. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. We'll find out though. Let's see. They have a higher chance of breaking down. They can break up though, so we'll see. Either way, we'll be good. Either we get some profit or we get stopped out. Whatever. On to the next one. Hurricane, dude. What's up with Florida, dude? Florida might as well just be an ocean now. You guys are literally getting pummeled with storms. Now, guys, I'm going to Florida in 2 weeks, by the way. I am going to Orlando in 2 weeks. All right? For a little bit of a trip. All right? You guys are like, Jordan, another fucking trip? Yes, another fucking trip. I'm going to Florida in 2 weeks, bro. All right? For a week, actually. Mike, what's up, dude? Good to have you back. Hope the move went smoothly. Dude, the move went so smoothly, man. Everything's good, dude. Life is fucking good right now, man. Could we look at USDT dominance in the daily? Very interesting chart. Possible head and shoulders. Yeah! We can look at that, dude. We can definitely look at that, dude. I actually already have it up. I already have it up right here, man. We'll look at it, though. Let's see. Just split up my crypto among all the members if I don't make it. Oh, shit. Hops, you're going to be okay, dude. I really hope. I mean, it sucks, dude. I mean, it sucks to be down there during all that shit, you know? I really hope when I go down there's not a hurricane, though. Like, that would just be horrible, and it would just ruin the whole thing. But obviously, you never want it to happen, you know? You never want that shit to happen, dude. It's very unfortunate, man. I don't know why you guys are getting pummeled this year. It's very, very unfortunate. You gonna visit Hoffs? I don't know. Hoffs is in Tampa. I am not gonna be nowhere near Tampa. I'm gonna be hours from Tampa. Legit hours from Tampa. Let's see. You still staying with us? When I'm in Florida? Probably not. I'll probably be gone again. Unless maybe I'll bring the setup if we're actually doing something, you know, other than shopping around in 60K, you know, like the last 7 months. Maybe we'll see. But yeah, so that's BTC. We'll see what happens, guys. I mean, we're at a, like, you know, a very important level that I can flip it either way. So we'll see which way we go. I'm not gonna try to predict. I'm just gonna go based on what the chart is. Chart's a rising wedge at resistance. So I'm gonna short. Yeah. What else do we got here? So Mike wanted to look at stablecoin dominance. man, I mean, this chart just keeps going up and down. The funny thing about this chart is maybe like a inverse head and shoulders. I mean, to me, it's like, you're saying if you do this, so you're saying this could be actually a bearish for crypto. If this was a left shoulder and this is a head, this is a right shoulder forming. I don't know, man. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. At least yet. You know what I mean? But dude, I mean, this thing has been perfect. Like timing the Bitcoin lows, or timing the Bitcoin highs, timing the Bitcoin lows, timing Bitcoin highs, lows, highs, lows, highs. You know what I mean? Like, so we're gonna go for the low again. You know what I mean? Like, it's just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down on stablecoin dominance. It's a nice little perfect channel. Every time we hit the bottom here, that's Bitcoin's top. Every time we hit the top, that's Bitcoin's bottom. But yeah, we're still in this channel. So like, there's not much to say other than like, we just hit the bottom. Maybe we come in double tap, but this probably shows it's more likely that we're going to come back up again, right? Until we eventually break down. I've said this, like, how do we know Bitcoin's really bullish, in my opinion, is when this finally breaks. When this finally breaks, that's when I think we can really say, okay, we probably know Bitcoin's breaking out now, right? Because all these times Bitcoin couldn't break out, and we broke it, and that's probably the time it breaks out. But right now we haven't done it yet, so still being patient, still being very, very patient until that breaks, you know. Bear flag, but could hit up again. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I do think this eventually breaks down, but I think it probably goes up again. It probably goes to like this 826 at least one more time. That's why I think Bitcoin goes lower eventually. You know, like, it just makes sense, right? Even if you do, I don't even know what you're gonna do. Even if you do this, you know, you come up and test here again, then I don't know. Then you try to come out. That's kind of what I'm hoping for, you know. But time will tell, dude. Time will tell what happens with this. But this is the signal. This is the signal for me. We break this. I think we can all be partying like the USA, and I think we're gonna have a really, really fun time. But we gotta wait for this to break, or at least get back to the high, and then we can get pumped for like playing it down again. You know, like shit. All right, Bitcoin. A little rejection so far. A little rejection off the same level from this morning, which is cool. Which is cool. Actually not this morning. This afternoon. Shit. Let's see. Let's big dump. He said, let's big dump BTC to 58K or 57K. Oh my God, man. I don't think anyone wants that, dude. I don't think anyone wants that, dude. But we'll see. 90K Bitcoin by end of stream. Boo. Remember where like that actually used to be like funny? Like we actually be able to do that?
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Remember we actually be able to do that, dude? You know? Like they weren't really jokes. You know what I mean? We used to sit here and go,
strap up, we're going to the moon.
You know what I mean? Oh, those were the days. Those were the days, dude. Those were the days. All right. ETH. Oh, man. Ethereum comes up and tests this level today. Rejects. Oh, it got above. Came back below. Rejected. Yeah, I said multiple times, like, I think it's... I believe. By the way, the Patriots suck, by the way. Just letting you guys know. No, I think I said a couple times, I think ETH is going to make its way back down here at some point. Right? Like, back down to the golden pocket. I think it hits... I still think that ETH hits, like, close to 2K or sub 2K again. Right? At one point. Okay? Whether it goes up a little bit more first... I think we hit down here at one more time, right? One more time down here, and kind of make like a little wake off where we got 1, 2, 3 hits. So one more time, one more hit down here for ETH. I think it makes sense, and that would probably be on Bitcoin's next move down. Like say if Bitcoin rejects here and it moves to like high 59s, like 59, 58, I wouldn't be shocked to see ETH here, right? Because ETH BTC just keeps going lower. I would not be shocked to see ETH fall right into the zone, right? Like almost instantly, if Bitcoin was to reject. Sol, kind of the same thing as ETH, really. Like, I think Sol hits down here at like 120 one more time. Again. For like the 18,000th time. But, you know, time will tell in Sol. But yeah, I think we could hit the range lows again one more time. Just because I like it. I sound like Elf. I sound like fucking Elf, dude. I sound like fucking Elf. Sal said my man is lost. What, because I'm bearish? I'm lost because I'm bearish. Okay, so if in 3 days, if in 3 days we're down here, do I get to come back on and say you're lost? All right? So if in 3 days Bitcoin's down here, my man Sal Bogots, okay? I get to come back on and say you're lost, man. Even though you're not lost. We're both not lost. You know what I mean? We just disagree. You know what I mean? But I don't think you're lost, bro. I really don't think you're lost. I really don't, dude. Please. I missed the pump song. Me too, dude. Me fucking too. I missed the pump song. I saw some juicy licks at 63.3. That's my short-term target. What, 63.3? 63.3. Oh, shit. Yeah, I mean, we could make one more push higher. I mean, we said this weekend we probably end up going sideways this weekend. We actually went slightly up. We could always push one more higher. But in my opinion, though, if we break this, I think we're going much higher. I think we're going much higher then. If we break this red box, like actually break it, not just like go above it for a little bit. But if we actually break it, I think we're going to test this trend line again. Probably. If that's the case. And I would love to flip back long. But not yet. But not freaking yet. We're all lost. Don't worry. Exactly, Chewy. We're all lost in our little crypto world. You know what I mean? We're all lost in a little crypto world. We're all lost. Let's see. Christian said, it's crazy. I saw the WIF trade today, hit all my targets, but I never took the trade. Busy with kids. Oh, man. That's the worst, dude. That is the worst. Let's look at WIF. WIF is... Let's see. Let's go back to the WIFers. I might be trying to short this soon, man. You got to get the bearish divergence. Yeah. You got to get the bearish divergence on WIF, man. I wouldn't be long in this right now, bro. Not again. It's still gonna go higher. This is gonna go higher. But if you get WIF to come up and test this level again, you're gonna have once again the higher high and the lower high. The bearish divergence at resistance. It's probably got a little higher to go though. I wouldn't be surprised if it gets like 283, 287. But you're gonna have the bearish div on the daily. With at resistance. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I can believe it. I definitely can believe it. And then maybe we play this down, and then oh my god, can you imagine like some big inverse head and shoulders on this bullshit on like the high time frames? Oh my lord, yes. Yeah. That looks yummy. That looks very, very yummy. Looks kind of juicy, actually. Christian said, I saw the flag on the 12-minute trade earlier today. Nice, dude. The flag on the 12-minute. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see if Bitcoin scams us. Scams me and it pumps. Bitcoin's gonna scam me. Crypto Mate says, cycle is over. Expect to lose more money hodling all the way down. I mean, it's always a possibility. You always got to be careful hodling the alts, you know. Tom said, I store some of my boat also. Hopefully I don't get in an accident. What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about, bro? Am I bullish on SHIB? Oh, dude, I don't like to be bullish on SHIB. Whenever SHIB pumps, we dump. Whenever SHIB pumps, dude, we dump. You know, we take a massive dump every time SHIB pumps. So I don't want to be bullish on SHIB, even if I where's SHIB? Where is SHIB? Here it is. Let's look at the good old SHIB. Yeah, man. Am I bullish on SHIB? I don't know, dude. Should we be bullish on this? Probably got one more high, actually. Like some of these coins look like they want to go up for one more high. Right, come up, boop, into here. Some of these probably, yeah. Some of these look like they want to go for one more high. Like the Shibanichi, up into the golden pocket, then retrace. But yeah, Shibanichi. You never want SHIB to be leading the market, dude. SHIB leads the market, we're fucked. We are royally fucked if SHIB leads the market, which right now it's not. Thank God. Thank the Lord. But yeah, thank the fucking Lord, dude. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, dude, yesterday was a great day, man. I want to tell you guys all about it, but I can't, man. Yesterday was a great day, man. Great day. Great day. Great day, man. Great day, dude. I might have met my future wife. Data said, went long on SHIB from 1,300 paid. Oh, nice, dude. I'm always happy when you make the gains. All right, Anderson wants to look at Popcat. Dude, we're going back to the meme show, aren't we, man? Are we going back to like just the meme coin market, bro? Is this what we're going back to? Is this what we're doing? Oh my God. All right. It's been a while. It's been a hot minute.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
It's been a hot minute, but he said ban the memes. Holy. It's been a while since we had a pump like this. Look at Popcat. I don't know any Popcat, but nice, dude. I mean, damn. God damn. Wait, it's not the full chart, though. Oh, it's not the full chart. Oh, excuse me. Popcat. Let's see. Oh, my Lord. Yeah, you're on all-time highs. I wanted to make sure you were at all-time highs. You are. Nice, dude. It's been a hot minute since you have a coin pumping, breaking highs. You know what I mean? It's been a really long time. What was the last coin that had, broke highs? I don't even know. I don't even fucking know. Jordan bouncing back like BTC. No, dude. I was like, sometimes you're like, yeah, man. She's gonna be my future wife, man. Oh shit, it's too much. I'm too much, man. I'm too much. Wayne said, I'd never heard of it. I'll tell you more, guys, in the future, but right now, it is what it is. I'd never heard of it, said Wayne. Popcat. Wayne, you probably never heard of any of this shit, man. Stick to Bitcoin. I like to stick to Bitcoin too. But, you can't go wrong with Popcat. We should probably do this. We should probably do this. Let's bring up Popcat. And LJ said, yeah, I thought that once. All right, so we take this to low, to the high. Let's just pull some fibs. Let's pull the 1618. Let's do the, fuck. Where are we at? Oh shit, we hit the 1618 today. So yeah, this would be a likely point where people take profits, right? So from the highs to the low of this most recent dump, that's the 1618 fib. So you can already see a little reaction if you zoom in, right? At least you saw a little rejection there. I don't know if it's gonna. Looks like you could go for another high and then make a bearish divergence. But like, this is probably a point where some people probably take some profits. I have a 2618. Fuck, man. What happened to this? What did I do to this? When did I do this? All right, and if you break that, well, we'd be looking for 216. We'd be looking for 216 on the pop. The pop of the cat. But, you know, obviously, like, this is a point where if Bitcoin rejects here, kind of makes sense because Popcat's at the 1618 fib, so it kind of makes sense. Right? Come back down. Woo! We go up to 2618, and we have a party. We have the party like it's USA. Yep, that's why I sold half, but I think $1 holds. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this thing's strong as hell. So, like, if Bitcoin does pull back, which, like, I keep saying that, like, if, we don't know if it will or not. But if it does, this one's strong as hell. I doubt this one will be coming down too much. But definitely a good spot to take some off, to shave off. Like, not always at the 1618, but it's also kind of like, you know, I like these when you have diagonals. You're slightly above it, but you could close it daily below it. But yeah, that is pop. That is the pop of the cat. The pop of the cat. It's pretty poppy. It's poppy. It's fucking poppy. A microwave Hot Pocket. Dude, Hot Pockets are the best. Someone said they made homemade jalapeno poppers today. I fucking love. I haven't had a jalapeno popper since I was 18. I'm making that up. I don't know how old I was. It actually probably was 18. Dude, jalapeno poppers are so good. I love jalapeno poppers. It's very rare you find those. You don't really find jalapeno poppers at many places. But man, I love fucking cream cheese, and I love fried shit, and I love jalapenos. You put all those three together, voila, jalapeno popper. One of the best foods in history, actually. The Pop-Tart. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Let's see. TGI Fridays for jalapeno poppers. TGI Fridays has jalapeno poppers? Oh, shit. Close the short. We're going to close over the 0.5 on the 15 minute. Ah, boy. I mean, it's looking like we're going to get that 4-hour close above here, man. So maybe we could go a little bit higher here. I mean, we got 30 minutes. I'm going to wait 30 minutes. I'm going to have some patience for the 4-hour close. But if we do close a 4-hour above here, I probably will close my short. If we close above here. If we close below, we're still in it. We're still in the game. Let's see what happens. Let's give it another 30 minutes and see what happens. Fiat said, "Bro, stop staring so hard." I'm staring at you, Fiat Maxi. I'm staring at you, dude. Hoff said, "My sweet entry for a short missed by a fraction of a cent." Oh, dude, that's the worst. That is the worst. Oh, man. Man, oh, man, guys. Anyways, that's that. Jackson wants to look at Pendle. All right, let's look at Pendle. Let's look at the good old Pendle, man. Pendle. Oh, shit. What were we looking at here? Okay, that worked out. Whatever that was, that worked. We came down, tested this. Yeah. I mean, this one probably wants to come back into this demand again at some point, right? Because you really haven't, like, retested this, right? All this, right? Support, resistance. Come back into here. One more time for Pendle, right? 325, 326. somewhere in this range. Look at Pendle right here. The good old Pendle. Pendle Schwendel. Previous lows, flipped into resistance 4 times. That's the level, man. You get a 4-hour close above that, you're going to bounce, though. But yeah, so far, it's rejection, 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 rejection. 4 rejections, right at the previous low. So is this a bearish retest? You'll probably find a lot of these bearish retests on a lot of these altcoins where, like, they got to break these levels. They haven't done it yet, though. Doesn't mean it can't. If it does, fuck it. We flip long. But right now, we have previous support flipping into resistance. And demand is down here, right? And that's where we look. That's where you look for a little move up. Something like that. Something along those lines. But, as always, there's 2 sides to every coin. No pun intended, because we are talking about coins. We're talking about coins. You know what I'm saying? But on the other side of the coin, the heads, you know, we flip this above, kind of like Bitcoin right now, right? Bitcoin can flip the resistance it's at right now. We fucking flip long, and we play this back up to here. It's all about this level right here, though. It's all about this, right? And it's not a coincidence that you got a lot of those altcoins right at their little resistances. Well, Bitcoin is right at its little resistance. It's tiny, teeny, tiny resistance. Is GPU still alive? Dude, I haven't looked at that in months, bro. So I can't tell you, man. I haven't looked at that, and I haven't looked at that since I made the slideshow about the shitty altcoin, about like too many altcoins. When did I make that? April? Probably not April. No, that was probably like May. I haven't looked at GPU since May, bro. Let's see. What's going on with this thing? Dude, wow. This thing's just been like chopping down. It's been chopping down like a freaking garage sale. Oh, God. I mean, what you're hoping for is that this is like a macro high or low rather than just like a slow bleed, dead cat bounce, slow bleed. So you're kind of hoping this is like that macro high or low right here. But, as always, it's going to depend on Daddy. What's Daddy doing? Is Daddy bullish? Well, is Daddy bullish? Well, I don't know. But as of right now, yeah. I mean, right now you're either just holding this, right? You're either just holding this coin, or you probably want to get it down here again, right? So if you get another opportunity to get it down here, you get it, 30, under 40 cents if you can. Other than that, if you bought it in this range, you're probably just chilling and holding it, right? And waiting for the market to go up, But I wouldn't want to buy this again until it went down here, because I think it will at some point. Like kind of hit this low, maybe take out this low. But I'd want to get it under 40 cents if I wanted it, which I don't know if I do. To be quite honest. To be quite honest with you. Scream Daddy. Daddy! There you go. Come on, Daddy! Oh, shit. Is Jordan still short? Yes, I am short. I'm shorter than Mini-Me, bro. I said it earlier. I'm shorter than Mini-Me. Come get me. I've told the bulls to come and get me. Mini-Me needs a snack. He needs a big old snack. Oh, shit. Let's see. I think we need a poll. 65 or 61st. Oh, boy. What will the poll be? The poll might be bearish. Let's see. What will BTC hit first? Let's do what Anderson said. 65K or 60K. Let's see what the chat thinks. Or we hit both. We hit 65 then 60, or 60 then 65. Something tells me we're probably going to hit both of those in relatively, like, within the next 2 weeks. Something tells me we'll hit both of those. 60. The 60. Wayne said if the 8 billion on the earth were divided evenly among all the available altcoins, each market would have 3,333 people each. And that's only the altcoins that have already come out. Think about all the new altcoins that come out when the market gets hot. You're probably going to double the amount of altcoins. Think about all the meme coins that come out every day, you know? It's just constant, more supply, more coins. You know what I mean? That's why like all like the little altcoin pumps are so small now, because like they're like people just, the money's just so distributed among so many coins now. You know? It's like for all the coins to pump in the market, you know, like it takes a lot of money to pump everything. You know what I mean? It takes a lot of money to pump all the altcoins. That's why you know, you're gonna get some memes that like break all-time highs and some other coins, but like for the most part, it takes a lot of cash to be moving all these mother effing coins. You know what I mean? All these mother effing coins. A lot of cash. A lot of moolah. More moolah than, you know, we think we need. Let's see the poll. All right, well, we got 62% think 65K. So the chat is bullish, which sometimes could still be fine, right? Sometimes if the market's bullish, fucking everyone can be bullish and we still go up. You know? Dog with no shoes. Dog with no shoes. Dog with no shoes. Dog with no hat. Dog with pimple. Dog with mole. Dog with hat Inu. Doge on Mars. I'm done. Close the short. I'm going to give it 20 minutes, man. We'll see where the 4 hour closes. Let's see where the 4 hour closes. If it closes above this red box, I'll close it. Ultra designed to keep you away from BTC? Yeah. In a way, I think. In a way, that's true. Definitely in a way, that's true. Did you see Elon and Trump today? Great pick they got there. I saw something about Elon, like being weird as shit. I saw something. What did I see? Let's look. Elon and Trump. Look at Elon, bro. Bro, what is... He's so pumped. I've never seen him this happy. Why is his, like, arms in the air? He lost weight. Elon looks, like, skinnier than he was before. You guys ever see the Elon picture where he's, like, that white beached whale? He looks... Yeah, he looks like he lost some weight. Good for Elon, man. Good for Elon, bro. He looks good. He looks good, man. Trump's just Trump, you know, with his fake tan and his orangeness. Jordan looked like his crab pods were empty when he went crab fishing today. Dude, I'm still hungover from yesterday, man. Yesterday was a long night. It's a long night last night, man. I'll say it was a long fucking night last night. It was a great fucking night, but it was a long ass fucking night last night. So I am still like kind of hungover from last night. Not even gonna lie, dude. It's one of those days where I woke up this morning and I was still kind of drunk. I am so hungover from last night, dude. It really was, man. I watched football today. That's pretty much it. But yeah, I'm still kind of hurting, dude. I'm still kind of hurting. You need a longer beer to do a really good crab fishing. Oh yeah? Jordan is a jake off. You telling me I'm a jerk off, man? You telling me I'm a jerk off? Is that what you're saying? What did you drink? Dude, I drank almost everything. I started off with beer, and then we got some tequila shots, and then I was drinking vodka sodas, and then more tequila shots, and then we went back and had some wine. Yeah, dude. Whenever you mix all that shit, I think I mixed almost everything besides whiskey. Whenever you mix all that stuff, you're done. You're done. Not a question. Done for. It's my own fault, though. It's my own fault. Go drink water, bro. Bro, I drank literally a gallon of water today. A gallon of water today. Recipe for disaster? It was, dude. Sometimes I do that, man, right? I get in the zone. If you get me in the zone, like if I'm out and I'm in the zone, dude, I get in the zone. And if someone's just like, hey, you want this? I'm like, yeah. You want this? I'm like, yeah. And I don't stick to one thing. It kind of just goes everywhere. It literally goes all over the place. Swipe or no swiping? Dude, I did go hard last night. Last night was probably like the hardest I went in a long fucking time. Like I usually don't drink a lot. But when I do, like I don't drink that much. I really don't. Maybe once a week. But when I do, I usually go pretty hard. Wayne said, we need to go drinking. We do, dude. We do, dude. You need to come to the next meetup, whenever that is. Whenever we can get this market fucking rolling. But yeah, dude, I tend to just like go off and go nuts. Guinness and shots of Thule. I don't like Guinness. I'm not a big Guinness guy. People always make fun of me for this. Like, you're not a real man if you don't like Guinness. I don't really like Guinness, man. I guess I'm not a real man. There's something about the stouts that I'm not a big... I don't like the stouts, bro. I really don't like the stouts. I really don't. Oh, fuck, man. Alright. Dude. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, bro. 15 minutes. It could blast my ass. It could blast me in the ass, man. Jordan telling everyone at the party about crypto when he's drunk? Yeah. No, I actually don't really talk about it too much, man. I do when it's like fun to talk about it. But I recently I haven't really talked about it too much. I can go on tangents, but I tend not to go on tangents. Look at BTC, man, so inspirational. I see BTC, man, I see it. It is being kind of inspirational. It's kind of an inspiration. But let's see, man, we're still in the wedge. I want to see this wedge get convincingly broken. Like, break this wedge to the upside, and let's see what happens. But I want to see this shit convincingly broken. And maybe it does it in the next 15 minutes. We get this thing break out, and I get stopped out, and the bulls have a fun party, or it pumps up, stops me out, and then fucking dumps. Which happens all the time. Happens all the time, man. It'll fucking pump and then fucking dump. Happens all the time. Almost daily, actually. Not daily. I'd say weekly. You guys doing the weed? Yeah. I mean, you can't go wrong with the weed, but that's only in certain times. I only smoke if I'm drinking, which I also did last night too. I forgot to add that in there too. Jordan's so sweary today, dude. I like I said, I had a midlife crisis, man. I'm just going back to swearing. Life's too short not to have a few swears. You know what I mean? Like, you should be able to swear a little bit, just a tad, just a tittle. feel like it's been ages since I see Bitcoin pump. It's been ages. Like an actual pump. I mean, I said this throughout this range. Like the dumps are super volatile. Like these dumps, you get dumped hard. But all the pumps are like very slow and methodical pumps. Like throughout this whole range, it's just been like, you know, you pump for one day and then you fucking go down. You pump for one day, you go sideways. Like we haven't really had like, other than like this one, I guess. But other than that, it's been very slow, methodical moves up. It's been a while since we had like, you know, a move where you're stringing together a few good days in a row, you know? But on the downside, you get a lot of those. You get a lot of those consistently down days, you know, like back to back to back to back red days. But it's been a while since it's been like, you know, you hop on one day, Bitcoin's pumping, and then you hop on the next day, Bitcoin's pumping. It's been a long time. It's been a hot minute. When bull market? That's a good question, man. That's a good question, dude. The ETFs kill BTC? I wouldn't say that. I think it's mainly because we ran up so fast, man. It was the first time we ever hit all-time highs before the halving, right? So I think we just ran up so fast. So when you run up so fast, you're gonna have to cool down for a lot longer, right? I think we talked about like in previous cycles, we should have been at like 32K at the halving, but instead we were all the way up here at 60, right? So like we moved up very, very fast last year, and now we've had to like cool down for longer because we were already so ahead of the previous cycles. Now we're kind of caught up. Now we're kind of where we should be. Now we're actually below where we should be. In theory, we're actually below where we should be now. Is this the chart I want? Nope. Is this the chart I want? Nope. Is this the chart I want? I think this is the one. Yeah. Yeah, now we're actually below where we should be. So we're right here. Right? If you look at, you know, the previous cycles up at this point, match from the lows, right? Just take all the cycles, match it from the cycle low. We were way ahead of schedule right here. Now we're actually starting to be slightly behind schedule, which makes sense because we know Q4 is typically good for crypto. So we're right here. And this is like kind of like within the next like month or two is when typically you start seeing this, like the breakout, you know? It's just a matter of like, will we start to deviate a little bit down first and then catch up, or are we just ready to go up right here? I think we got maybe one more low right in here and then a catch up, but we're right there, man. We're right here when you look at it that way, you know? So let's go back over here. When it comes to like shorting here, I'm just trading. I mean, at the end of the day, we've been in a range, so like trading's kind of fun in this range, to be honest. But like when it comes to the grand scheme of things, I think we're at the point typically where within the next few months, you would expect, you know, a breakout. If you don't get a breakout and Bitcoin instead starts to come down, we're looking a lot different than previous times. It looks a lot different, you know? So we'll see. Blame the longshoreman. Robert said too many altcoins are ruining this bull run. I agree with that too. I slightly agree with that. I think it's people are buying altcoins instead of buying Bitcoin. Whereas in the past, people used to get excited to buy Bitcoin. Now people say Bitcoin's too expensive. I'm not going to buy Bitcoin, right? And I guess that's retail. Retail says that. But yeah. Dancing, 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 dancing. I can tell no one at all ready for this breakout. We ain't ready for the breakout, Hoffs. I'm not ready for the fucking breakout. To be honest. When it does happen, I'll be like, holy shit, like this is crazy, man. No, I don't think anyone's not ready for the breakout. I just think people are so sick of the chop, you know? We're all just so sick of the chop. So like, and it's hard to get excited when you know every time you go up, like you get rejected. It's like, it's hard to get too excited when like, it's like just every time you go up, you know, you just come back down, you know, like right here. Oh, we were there. Jordan comes back from moving, bop, you know. It's hard to get too excited. At some point it'll happen, but it's like hard to like sit there and go, this is the time, this is gonna be it, and you get mollywopped back down again, and you get your yeah, you get the point. You get the point. Oh man, it's like the boy who cried wolf. Yeah, man. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it for the day. We've been live for like an hour. Let's see what happens. Like I said, if Bitcoin closed above here, if it breaks through the wedge, I think my stop's like above this wedge. So if Bitcoin comes up and breaks out from the wedge, I'll get stopped out. But what'll probably happen is, knowing my luck, it'll probably fucking stop me out and then dump. Which is fine. I mean, at the end of the day, it is what it is. That's life. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. But I think I'm going to call it for the day. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And I'm going to go rest up so that I can actually have some energy in me tomorrow for Monday. All right? So take care, guys. Much love. Catch you guys tomorrow. And we'll see where Bitcoin ends up. But right now, it's like just very important level right here, man. Altcoins too. Very important levels across the board. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.